In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add your name in subject line Klaviyo. Adding a first name to your email subject line is a simple way to make your campaigns feel more personal and relevant. Klaviyo makes this easy with personalization tags, and the key is to also include a default value so your subject line still reads well even when someone does not have a first name saved on their profile. First, log into your Klaviyo account and go to Campaigns. This is where you create and manage one-time email sends. Find the campaign you want to work on, then select your email. Once you have the correct email chosen, click Continue to Content. This takes you into the area where you can finalize the settings and edit what your audience will see. Next, choose your list or segment. This is important because you want to make sure the email is going to the right group of subscribers. Pick the list or segment that matches your campaign goals, and then move on to the subject line settings. Now click directly into the subject field. This is where the subject line text is entered, and it is also where you can insert personalization. With the cursor active in the subject field, click Personalization. A menu will appear with different options you can use to pull in subscriber information. From the personalization options, select First Name. Klaviyo will insert the correct tag into your subject line. Before you save, set a default value. This default value is the word that will appear when the subscriber does not have a first name available. Type any word in the default value box, such as a friendly general greeting, so the subject line still sounds natural for everyone. When you are done, click Exit to close the personalization window, then click Save. Take a moment to read your subject line from start to finish to ensure spacing and punctuation look right, since the tag behaves like a word in the sentence. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.